What's going on, guys? So I think it's time we make a video on GameStop. GameStop does not look good. Could this be the end of the big run? It's, we had rising volume today on this downward move. We were down $5.83, just shy of 5% on the day. We closed at $116.65. Here's something that I really want to take a look at here. I kind of want to get this, get this through everyone's head. We have to start to be realistic on these particular plays. If you absolutely believe in this stock and you don't think that, this stock is dead, you think that it's coming back, you think it's going to 200 to 300 to 500 to 1,000 to $1 million a share, that's all great and everything, but there comes a time where we are putting and playing with real money. And when we are talking about real finances and talking about hard-earned dollars that we may be investing into this play. Now, maybe you made a lot of money back, when GameStop did its thing and had a phenomenal run, and you're kind of just playing with profits. Maybe that's a different story here. But, to all you other people who are kind of holding this stock in the 100s, in the mid 100s, the 200s even, and you guys are down significantly on this stock. There's a couple of things that we really need to take a look at here. So we've had just about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down days in a row on GameStop. Coming off those most recent highs when we had that push up to 160, 159, somewhere in that area. With that being said, we are trading below the 5-day moving average, which for the short-term sentiment wise, this is telling you that the bears and the sellers have control over this stock. So I'm not here to talk about, manipulation. I'm not here to talk about the hedge funds. I'm not here to talk about the suits. It's, at the end of the day, this is you trading your money, your decision to stay in this stock. But if we really look at what's going on here on the bigger picture, the next level of support on the daily time frame is going to be $96. So one level that we're really going to need to take a look at here is going to be today's low price on the wick, and that price is going to be around 111.85. Now, could we get a little bit of a dead cat bounce come Monday, Tuesday? Absolutely. We could get a bounce actually into the 125 to 133 area. That would be coming into the dropping 5-day moving average, as well as this 10-day moving average here that we're looking at. If we do come up into this area and you are picking up shares down here in this area, you could think about selling for a profit there, and then kind of reevaluating that trade, seeing what do we do when we come up into this zone. Take your profits here. Do we get rejected and come back down? If we do come back down to this 111 and we hold and we get this nice bounce off of this level, then we can just repeat the same process again, load up here and then sell back into those supplies. However, if we do flush below that 111, that next price target to the downside is going to be 96.95. So if you are looking to play GameStop to the short side, what you are looking for is some kind of bounce, get that reversal a little bit, maybe 1-2 days worth of bounce price action. And then as we get rejected and we start rolling over, coming down below 111, this is when you're going to want to take your entry to the short side with the potential price target of around $96. And you're going to want to use either the 5-day moving average or the 10-day moving average as your absolute stop, just to kind of, protect your risk that's on the table. And those prices right now is 125 and 133. That's going to be your absolute two levels where you're going to want to stop out of this trade if you are going short. If you are going long off this and you do get long off this bounce, as long as we hold this 111, you can go ahead and continue to hold this position. If we do come back down to 110, 111, and like I said, get that bounce, then, the play is still in play. But until we lose this level here, we can continue to hold. But as soon as we lose that 110 area, you need to think about covering your position, just due to the fact that you don't want this to slide down another 15 points on you and put yourself into a deeper hole. So with that being said, really monitor the small caps, see what the IWM is doing. The IWM was pretty much flat on the day. I can just pull up that chart here. We have been experiencing some pain in the small caps and these high growth stocks, because realistically all of 2021 we were in this trading range here, in this trading range between 208 and 235. Every time we would come to the top of the range, we get shorted back down, and we come to the top of the range, shorted back down. So it's perfect to play like these little swings, but you just have to be very, very careful. Make sure you're taking your profits. Right now, we are trading below the lower channel on the IWM. So if the IWM does want to take a little bit of a bigger correction here, and they do lose this 208 level, it's got a lot of room to the downside. We're actually going to have to go to the weekly time frame to see, like, kind of where are we going to have some form of protection below 208, and that next price is going to be around this $200 area. So if we do lose at any point in time the 208 level, we could potentially be coming down to the 200. However, what I do notice here is this little bit of indecision reversal candlestick. So I could see next week potentially getting a nice bounce off this zone here, this between 208 215 zone, and then we could be coming back up for a back test of 221 to 226. If you want to play it that way, you can completely play the IWM, the small caps Russell 2000 ETF. Get this bounce here, and then let's look to clean up our shares right around the 5-day moving average, which is going to be around 218, and then the next resistance is going to be around 222. Guys, I hope that helps. If you're looking for a trading course, you're looking for a strategy, check out my website, evolutiontraders.com. Also, join my Discord, completely free to join. I do have a paid section for some one-on-one mentorship, some coaching. I do put out personal watch list and signals in that group as well. So trade with me, trade with my group of traders. We're in there. Everyone's in there to make money. We're in there to be realistic. We're in there to take realistic gains. We're not in there to, try to catch the next stock that's going to 1,000. We're not trying to catch the next stock going to the moon. What we're trying to do is find opportunities to the upside as well as to the downside and capitalize on those plays and just keep growing our accounts. So if that interests you, join that Discord. Also, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys all on the next video.